Alright, so here's another project. This is Wendy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this one is on a couple of rustic benches. I will link the plans below in the description box. I got these off of Etsy. There's a gal I follow on YouTube that does a lot of really cool DIY, and she's selling the plans for these. So all you gotta do is get the supplies and then you build them. So I have built two of them, and here is one. So they're 46 inches long, if you can kind of see, and it's got that little A-frame. You use a pocket hole jig, and it's just pine, and then of course I beat the heck out of it so it gets that distressed look. So what I did was I put on my Minwax pre-stain conditioner, and then I'm going to do the Minwax Golden Oak. So I'm going to do one with the Golden Oak. I'm going to see how I like that, because I might do the other one a little bit darker. But now that wood is kind of on the cheaper side, these really didn't cost that much. I think it was like $8 or $9 for the wood, and then probably a few dollars for the screws. And then of course you buy the big container of the stain, and that'll last you for tons and tons of projects. So I will show you what these look like after I get a coat on them, so stay tuned. Alright, here is one coat of the Minwax Golden Oak stain. What do you think? Isn't that pretty? So that's, I think if you have a more of a neutral decor, like you could use this at the foot of your bed. That's how that gal styles it in her video. Yeah, that turned out really good. That's just one coat. I might leave it at that and then just seal it. And then I decided to do the other one in my Minwax gel stain in coffee. So this is the same color as on my countertop and my open shelves in my kitchen. So if you haven't checked out that video, I have a kitchen and dining tour, check that out. But with all of the distressing in there, and just because I used a cloth and not a sponge, it didn't get into all the nooks and crannies, but I rather like that. What do you guys think? So just two different color options. You can go with any color you want. It's personal preference. And not sure what I'm going to do with these yet. I might save them for the cottage, and I might sell them. But they're real cute. Super cheap, super easy to make once you get the hang of cutting angles into that, well, cutting the pocket holes into the angles with your pocket hole jig thing. That's kind of tricky, but you have to just kind of test it out on some scrap wood first, and then you get the hang of it. But yeah, they turned out really good. All right, there you have it. So I hope you found this video helpful, and please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Lots more DIYs. I'm going to be doing another coffee table, and I'm going to be doing that one in the Varathane, the burnt wood look. So that one's coming up next when I get another nice stretch of weather, because you want to do this stuff in a well-ventilated area, which means outside for me. Yeah, they turned out really good. I hope you enjoy, and again, I'll put the plans that you can buy on Etsy from that lady in the description box below, and then of course I'll put any of the links to the finishes that I got. You can buy those pretty much anywhere that carries a Minwax product. So have a wonderful rest of your day. We'll talk soon. Take care.